As the first cut opens the hive, golden honey begins to flow like liquid sunlight. Inside a pristine modern facility, wild honeycombs are prepared for extraction using advanced automated systems. Every precise cut releases rivers of pure honey trapped inside the natural comb. Powerful extractors spin the combs, separating honey with remarkable efficiency. A massive, high-tech production floor ensures the honey is handled with absolute precision and cleanliness. Each honeycomb is carefully positioned for the next stage of extraction. Fresh honey flows freely, revealing its natural richness and vibrant golden color. Advanced filtration gently removes impurities while preserving the honey's natural flavor. The purified honey travels through a network of polished pipelines towards storage tanks. Carefully controlled temperatures keep the honey smooth and perfectly balanced. Robotic systems move each batch seamlessly through the production line. Even the smallest pockets of honey are carefully extracted.
Golden streams travel through transparent pipelines across the facility.
Technicians monitor every stage using advanced digital systems. With every cut, nature reveals its sweetest treasure. Modern purification equipment ensures exceptional clarity. Across the facility, dozens of machines work in perfect synchronization. Precision measurement guarantees consistent quality. Once processed, the honey flows toward the automated bottling line. Robotic systems seal each jar perfectly. Labels are applied with precision as the jars move down the line. The finished honey glows with a deep golden brilliance. The finished honey glows with a deep golden brilliance. Advanced packaging systems prepare the honey for shipment. Robots stack the finished products with incredible speed. Automated vehicles transport the honey safely through the warehouse. Every jar captures the pure sweetness of nature.
A single drop reveals the richness of this remarkable harvest.
From wild hive to perfect jar, technology and nature come together to create liquid gold.